Hello and welcome back. We are now at the section after we have isolated all the layers. This section or this part of the video is known as deleting the unwanted parts. Basically, the concept behind this is we have the layers, the isolated layers called T10 to T31 and B10 to B31. These were particularly created by the software. All I told the software was, this is my bit size and do this for me. And as a user, we all should recheck it, and most of the times they don't do it correctly. In fact, in our cases, or in the isopro cases, it never does it perfectly. You will see it, you can't call it wrong, but it's not right either. So we have to delete some of these unwanted parts. Had you done this manually, you would not have to do this section, but it is a lot easier to do it using the isopro and then deleting or rechecking their work. So before we start on this procedure of deleting the unwanted parts, let me get you familiarized with these layers on the left hand side. In other words, the layer table that we could either access by pressing the F2 key on your keypad, or we could also mess with these guys over here. All the layers that we have are put up here, and if you bring your mouse over there, it will show you what type it is: copper top, copper bottom, drill, and so on and so forth. Let's look at something called 062. It is the board outline 62 most, which is a pink colored one, which is this guy right here. Right now it says edit on all of them. If I left click on my 062, it's going to be set to view. If I click it again, it's going to be set to hide. If I click it again, it's going to go back to edit. Basically what edit means is, if I go near there and then I highlight around the area, it basically highlights the section that I covered, and if I press the delete key, it deletes it. So basically the edit means you can edit it. Now if I go back there to 062 and I click it again, it comes as a view. Now if I try highlighting, it won't do it for me. No matter what I do, it won't do. What happens is it acts as an invisible to the editing tool, but you as a user can see it. It has many benefits. It has many uses, and you will see them later on. But view is basically used to just not mess with it, but have it around to do a reference. If I click it again, it goes to hide. Now if I move my mouse, it's gone. This does not mean that I have deleted it. All it means is it's put away from the screen so that you could do whatever you want. One example would be, I could see the underlying layers, and I could edit those while I have my board outline hidden, and then I could click back here and it comes back to what it was. An example right here I can see now is, if I put it on hide, I can see this layer that's been missing all this time, and then if I highlight it, it's gone because it's overlapping. Okay, we are now officially ready. Oh, one last thing. If I right click, there are these three sections called hide all, edit all, view all. If I hit edit all, which is now what it is in, I can highlight them all and do whatever I want, or I can do view all and act all of them as invisible, or I can do hide all and wham, it's all gone. So let me put it